Hey guys, it's Susan and welcome to my channel. I am in Hongdae going to Seoul right now. I just got my nails done, they look so cute. Now I'll show you everything regarding the nails, because actually I filmed an intro already. However, inside the nail salon, but there were lights that make the screen go with the, like, I don't know how to explain, anyway. And now I'm on my way to Seoul walking, because I'm meeting Hazel and we're gonna have some Taco Bell, brunch, breakfast, lunch, whatever. As you just saw, I have the cutest nails ever. Thank you for watching this video. I know it's kind of short, but I just really want to see what they can do here with nails. The weird thing is they do gel nails. This is gel. They don't really do the acryl stuff here, so keep that in mind. Anyway, I'm on my way home, almost there already. So yeah, again, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Someone is running. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. And Merry Christmas! Bye!